Let's now see some of the important tools you need to know before getting started. The first thing to note is that any 3D design is about geometry. In order to define the geometry, you need the three coordinate axis and the origin. The first step is to turn on the origin. To turn on the origin, click on the eye icon here. Click on it. Now you can see the three axes: x-axis, the y-axis and the z-axis, and the three planes xy, xz and the yz planes. This small cube at the top is called the view cube, and it is used to toggle between the various views. When I click on the home icon, I get to the isometric view. Similarly, by clicking on the top, the front, the back, etc. gives the corresponding views of the component. At the bottom of the screen is the navigation toolbar, which has a few icons. I will introduce some of these icons to you. The first one is the pan icon. This is similar to what you have used in Adobe PDF, and this can be used to move around the drawing as shown. The next is the zoom tool. It is used by pressing the left mouse button and using the scroll wheel. If you are using a touchpad, you can instead use the up-down keys and move your fingers up or down. Next is the zoom fit icon. Zoom fit is used to reset in case you end up zooming too much. Then we have the zoom window tool. This tool is used to zoom a part of the component that you need to focus on. As you can see here, the selected rectangle gets zoomed into. Next is the display settings. By selecting display and environment, you get a lot of options like dark sky, grey room, photo booth, etc. These are options to change the background of the workspace. This is useful if you want to export a component as GIF or PNG for use in presentations, etc. There are many other options available with the display settings that you will be using in the course of the lectures. Then we have the grid icon. Using this, you can either turn on or turn off the grid. Keeping the grid on gives us an idea of the dimensions. Snap to grid is a feature which helps us in sketching.